What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out this 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLS450. Now this is the EQS, so this is Mercedes-Benz, this is their traditional hybrid car. Now a few weeks ago I had one of these same cars on the channel, and I just wanted to see if there's any major differences between the two. When so far the only thing I've seen are the tires and then minor stuff on the inside. Right now this is a 275 45 21-inch wheels on the front, and the one in the rear is a 315 40 21-inch wheel. So of course you guys can see that. So they're staggered, so the ones in the rear is just a little bit bigger than the ones in the front as far as tires concerned. Right now, remember, this is a 3.0 liter engine, V6. I'm sorry, not V6, this is straight line 6, 362 horsepower, 369 foot-pound of torque, 9-speed automatic transmission. So yeah, all-wheel drive, really nice, really comfortable. With this one, the production date on here, as you guys can see, this is just being built. So that's February of 2023. So this is very new. I just want to see if there's any major differences between this one and the one a few weeks ago, because they do change these things a lot. So of course we can start off in the front. Headlight, everything looks similar. We do have all these sensors. We do have 6 sensors going on in the front of the bumper, and of course we got a tow hook area. And yeah, let's jump on the inside and see if we see anything special that's going on. Everything here looks the same. I do have some differences as far as the floor mats are concerned. The seat is similar. All of the other interior amenities look pretty similar to me. Of course we do have the screens right there from here to there, stretch all the way across. Cup holder, same process, wireless charging, 2 ports, USB-Cs. Of course the cup holder situation is the same right there, so that's pretty similar. And we can look at this paperwork and see all these options. We got the panoramic sunroof, the rain sensors. We do have all of these charging ports. Let's take a quick look at this thing. This particular one is a little cheaper than the one a few weeks ago. See, that's one in 92,000. The one before was 94,000. But still, it is a 2023 model, as you guys can see. Now let's take a quick look on the inside of the rear and see. We do have the open configuration right there with the seats. It's not a bench seat, and everything looks pretty much the same. We're looking up at the roof. Let's jump in the back. Let's jump in the back and take a quick look and see if we see anything major going on. Right here, still the same blue light, controller seat, heated seat. Everything looked pretty similar to the one I had a few weeks ago. Of course, you have the open area, and of course you do have the rear seats that's sitting down right now. Let's jump around there and take a quick look. Like I said, this video is going to be really short. Please guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, support the channel. Here's the box, and okay, there we go. There is a difference. The other one had flat tires. The tires had to be blown up. It came with a pump. Now this one is already inflated, so you do have a spare tire that's already ready. And then of course this is how you control all of your stuff as far as the control of the seats. Second, third row, see that? Third row. And of course the seat will come up. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick walk around and see what this thing is like, if there's a major difference between this model and the one I had a few weeks ago that was built in December. I think it was December of 22, and this one is built in February of 2023. All right, so that's it. I want to do a quick. Please remember to support the channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.